Welcome to Mountain Beaches. It's RV mod time.
Ba-boom!
What was that?
I'm excited.
Oh my God.
Today we are going to be unboxing and installing our new RV lock. Stay tuned. All right, we're back. So in today's video, we are going to take our RVLock keyless door handle and install it.
I'm so excited.
We're both excited. This is something that we wanted to add to our RV for a long time. The instructions say it takes 10 minutes or less to install. We'll find that out.
We'll see how that, not typically how it goes.
But we'll see and we'll let you know.
Yep.
So let's open this up and see what we have here. The RV keyless lock has a keypad on it, and it comes with this little dongle so that you can just push a button and lock or unlock. Let's take a look.
Never heard it called a dongle before.
All right, some instructions. We'll look at those in a moment.
Like Christmas.
Yeah. So we got a couple of extra things in our order. I guess these aren't a dongle, these are a fob. We got an extra fob, so we can each have our own.
Yep.
And then we also bought just a standard new cylinder key lock for the front bay, because ours used that CH741 key that almost every RVer has one of those keys, and we wanted ours a little bit more secure, and RVLock makes a replacement for that, but there are a lot more key
I can't even remember
combinations, I guess,
right.
than what comes typical. So this is going to make our front bay section a lot more secure. Excited about installing that as well. And then this is the main component. Put that aside. We haven't even taken it out of the bag yet. Let's see here.
It's heavy. It's substantial. It's very substantial.
Here we are with the keypad. That's, from what I hear, it comes out of the factory set at 1, 2, 3, 4. We can program that to be whatever code we want. You can, whatever code you want on yours. Unlock, lock button. It also does have a key. It comes with 2 keys right here. So if for some reason the battery dies, you can still get it back into your RV. And this just comes apart with 4 screws.
Looks pretty easy. I could maybe even do this one.
Yeah. Should we put her to the test?
I don't know.
So we're gonna do it. We're gonna give it a try, see what we think, and we're gonna let you know our honest opinion. And then after we've used it for a while, we'll come back and let you know how we like it. But based on everything we've heard from other RVers and our own research onto this, I think we're gonna really like this modification. So
yeah, let's get to it.
Oh, stay to the end of the video. We're going to give you a discount code from RVLock. They gave us a discount code. Stay to the end of the video. We'll share that with you. Let's do it.
Alrighty.
All right, we made it over to our warehouse where we're storing our RV.
If you're new to our channel, we like to do informational videos,
Travel videos,
RV videos,
how-tos,
fun things that are happening in our lives.
So if you like that kind of stuff, give us a thumbs up on this video and subscribe.
Ring that bell.
Yeah, ring the bell. All of those really help us get found on YouTube, and we'd really appreciate it. So now let's get into the actual install, see how this goes.
All right, before Norm gets started, I did not take the challenge. He is going to be replacing the lock.
I'll do it. We'll see if we can get it done in 10 minutes. All right, first step is to take the old one off. And in our case, it's really not that old. So it's got 4 screws on the inside. We're gonna remove those. And then this fourth one, just want to make sure nothing falls off. There's the back side, comes off pretty easy. And the front, looks like I need to take the 2 screws off of the
Strike plate.
strike plate, yeah. So that makes 6 screws. There we go, that loosened it up. Put those in my pocket in case I need them. Take that off. And that's tight. So what's happening here is the insulation inside the door is keeping this pin from going through, making it a little bit more of a challenge. We'll get it, maybe. Right, I'm having to dismantle the old lock a little bit more than I was expecting so I could get it out. And there we go. So I did get it out. It was a little bit more work than I thought it was going to be. And if you have something similar, you may have to remove this back piece because it wouldn't fit through. So all right, the new lock comes with its own set of instructions. The instructions for removing the existing lock, pretty bare minimum. Remove the screws from the strike plate and take it off. The instructions look a little bit better for the installation process, so that's what we'll dig into next. First thing that we do is we take the new lock, outside part of it, and insert it into the opening. And again, we're having the same problem we had with getting the old one off. With this piece right here that sticks out, it hits as I try and put it in. So I'm gonna have to look and see how I can get that in there easily. It's very, very tight fit. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. This is the one. And I think it's in. Get the screws in there and that'll hold that down.
Awesome.
Why is it that the tool you are always looking for is at the bottom of the toolbox? How does that happen? All right, now we're going to line up the inside panel. We'll plug in the electrical here. Did you hear that? Beep, beep. All right. Let's see if it does anything. Nope, because it's not hooked into the thing yet. And I've got still got a little bit of insulation I need to clean up. A couple of pieces of this foam insulation that needs to be moved out of the way so it doesn't bind anything. And this piece in the screw hole. Okay, all 4 of the screw holes are clear. We also need to line up the slot for the deadbolt with that. Plug it in first. There's the beep. The wire's buried in there. I think we've got it. That is working. If I enter in the code that comes with it, it's 1234. Push lock. See the deadbolt. Let's unlock it. Voila! Okay, it's the next day and I need to get this project finished. We had something come up yesterday and ran out of time. So now the next step is to get the keypad coded up to our code and to program the fobs. So let's get going on that. They're both really easy to do. Let me show you. Alright, to reprogram your door lock, you simply hold down the 8 key and then push the lock button. You get that long beep and it's ready to be programmed. You enter the existing code, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and lock. Then you enter your new code and push lock again. Okay, next thing to do is program the fob. This is really easy. So you're going to need something like a paper clip or other sharp device or pointy device. Make sure that this button is turned on so that it can program it, and then you're going to push this learn button and hold that. Okay, so there you go, it's in learn mode. Now we're going to take the fob, we're going to push and hold the lock, and you heard it go. So let's try it. Let's see. Goes, unlock. Okay, so that one worked. Let's try the second fob. We're going to again put it in the learn mode. And okay. Unlock. Let's make sure the first one still works. Lock and unlock. There you have it. That's as easy as it gets. Hey, I hope you found this video to be of interest to you. Adding this RVLock is so easy to do. It took really literally the 10 minutes that they said. Programming the door lock to your own code was very easy, and programming the fobs was even easier. I'd give the whole process a thumbs up. And now we've got something special for you, a discount code. If you remember at the beginning of the video, we said wait till the end. We've got a discount code that we're going to share with you, and we'll put that down in the bottom here, but it's Mountain Beaches 15. That'll give you a 15% discount from RVLock.com. You can also sometimes find them on Amazon. We'll put a link below to that on Amazon for you, and prices vary, so just check them both. 15% off directly from RVLock.com, and then on Amazon I've seen 10 to 15% and sometimes even a little bit more discounted. So take a look at both and see what works for you. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. They really do make a difference, and we appreciate your support. If you like these kind of videos, give us a comment and tell us about it, and tell us what else you'd like to see. We're showing what we've been doing on our RV. Solar install is coming. Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you in the next video.